let's talk about the subsidiary ledgers versus the general ledgers. And I'm going to be honest, when I took this exam, I had no experience really. I had interned, but that wasn't really a good experience that gave me an idea as to what a trial balance was, a general ledger, etc. Right? We want to understand kind of what these are because a lot of people may not have gotten into the field yet. You might be coming out of college. That's totally fine. Now, you've got ledgers are just, think about it like you've got a bunch of lines. These are all the transactions. It's just a listing. Kind of like, think about your bank statement activity. A subsidiary ledger, this is going to be a type of accounting record that contains detailed information about a specific account within the general ledger. So your general ledger, think of it like this big listing, transaction 1, transaction 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe transaction 1 was a cash transaction, 2 was an expense, right? It's just different transactions. That's the general ledger. That's going to have everything. Whereas a subsidiary ledger, this could maybe be the PP&E one, the property, plant, and equipment. So this is a ledger, this is a listing that has all of the PP&E transactions on it. And what's the purpose of talking about this? Well, we're just trying to describe to you the different types of audit evidence where you as the auditor are going to go look for particular instances. Here, if you want to make sure that PP&E was accurately recorded, well, it should be on the PP&E ledger, or if you want to make sure AR, you look at AR, that's on the AR subsidiary ledger. So again, you have the general ledger, which is made up and split out into these different subsidiary ledgers. The subsidiary ledger typically is going to include individual transactions related to that account, such as PP&E, sales, inventory, investments, purchases, payments. It's going to provide you additional information about the account, which you can use to reconcile the overall general ledger. Here, we're going to see examples such as the AR subsidiary ledger, investment subsidiary ledger. Every account is pretty much going to have one.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.Examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.